baking soda on the back of your neck and you won't believe the results. Today, I'm going to show you everything that can happen when you dare to put baking soda on your neck. Many don't know what this strange trick is for, but I guarantee when you know the reason, you will thank me forever. Baking soda is one of the most used products worldwide. Its various uses make it a must-have in every home. And before I tell you why you should put baking soda on your neck, I'll show you some other uses of baking soda that will be very helpful with the first trick. We will eliminate nail fungus. Just put a spoonful of baking soda in a container, then add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Next, mix it really well. Both baking soda and apple cider vinegar have antiseptic properties, so they can help fight nail fungus. After mixing well, just apply the mixture to the affected nails and leave it on for at least 15 minutes. You can also use this same mixture on your hair to fight dandruff. In addition, apple cider vinegar and baking soda have properties that repair hair damage caused by dyes and other chemicals. Apply this treatment with apple cider vinegar and baking soda 4 times a week. Our second trick is for exfoliation. Place a spoonful of baking soda and a spoonful of water in a container. Mix very well until it forms a paste. Once this is done, apply it to your legs or arms after shaving and leave it on for 5 minutes. Once the time has passed, you can remove it. This will help not to irritate your skin and also prevent the formation of blackheads. Baking soda also helps to cleanse the skin and also gives the face back the glow that we often lose due to pollution and toxic agents. Now that you've learned more ways to use baking soda, it's time to tell you what happens when you apply it to the back of your neck. First, put 1 spoonful of baking soda and 2 spoonfuls of coconut oil into a container. Once the coconut oil is in, mix it well. Coconut oil contributes to a more even skin tone and is proven to neutralize blemishes on the face and skin. After mixing the coconut oil and baking soda, we're going to add the juice of 1 lemon. And finally, mix one last time. Due to its high antioxidant content, lemon helps reduce the appearance of dark spots and scars. It also has strong antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and healing powers. Apply the mixture to the nape of your neck and let it rest for 20 minutes. This process will help lighten and remove all types of dark spots. You can also apply it to elbows, armpits, knees, inner thighs, or anywhere else you want to lighten. Repeat this process at least once a week, and I guarantee you'll see great results. That was today's tip. I really hope you enjoyed it. Bye and see you in the next video.